Is your mind busy? Are you worried about something? Maybe you're experiencing anxiety. And we all do. And especially now, in this very, very challenging times when there is so much uncertainty, it's so easy to feel worried and anxious. So in this video, I'm going to take you through a process of tapping or EFT to help you to release your worries on a very deep somatic level so you can find peace of mind. Welcome to Womb Moon Yoga, a lifestyle that helps women to be free and joyful in their bodies and their relationships. We are going to start tapping in a moment. I just want to mention that if you haven't watched my previous videos where I explain what EFT is, how it works, and most importantly, I just show you precise location of tapping points, please watch that video. I'm going to put a link in the description below and above in an eye icon, so you can watch that first, or you can just try and tap. Even if you do it approximately, you're most probably still going to get great results. That's how EFT is so amazing. Okay, let's feel into your anxiety. Just ask yourself how anxious I am at the moment. And you want to come up with a number from 0 to 10. We want to rate what's the intensity now before we start tapping. And you may want to think about a particular situation that brings up lots of negativity and worries, something that is out of your control and where you feel you really don't know what's going to happen, and that doesn't let you relax and rest. Okay, so remember that number or write it down. And we are going to start right now. I'm going to say phrases that hopefully will resonate with you. But remember that you want to say what you feel. And the more precise you are, the more specific you are, the better the results are. So feel free to rephrase anything I'm saying, but hopefully some of those phrases will be also useful for you. So we start with tapping a karate chop. Repeat after me. It's better if you do it out loud, but you can also just do it in your mind silently. Even though my mind is so busy, I keep thinking and I can't stop thinking about it. I completely accept the way I am at the moment. Now I invite you to feel where anxiety is in your body. So you're going to name how that anxiety shows itself somatically, physically. So example could be tight shoulders, discomfort in your stomach, or anything else. Even though I feel, say what you feel, tight shoulders, I feel nauseous, I can't breathe deeply, whatever it is. And we add a positive statement behind. I completely accept my body. And the third phrase, even though I feel anxious, that really bothers me, I'm worried, I completely accept and love myself. We can say, I choose to accept and love myself. Okay. Eyebrow point. I'm so worried. Side of the eye. I can't stop thinking about it. under the eye. Oh, I'm feeling so anxious. Below the nose. I wish I could just relax and stop thinking about it. The chin, but I cannot. I can't stop thinking about it. I'm so worried. Collarbone. I am worried. Below the arm, I'm worried and I have all these negative thoughts in my mind. Below the nipple, I am so worried. I can't stop thinking about it. Thumb. I wish I could just stop thinking negatively, but I cannot. Index finger. I am worried. Middle finger. I have too many negative thoughts. Little finger. All those worries, all the anxieties. I'm tired. And the crown of the head, just tapping gently as you take 3 deep breaths. Long out breath, maybe with a sound. And again. Let's do another round. And this round will focus on your somatic sensations. So you're going to repeat what you feel. The eyebrow. I feel, and you just say it. And what's important, keep really feeling it. Be in your body and keep feeling it. The side of the eye. Repeat it again. Under the eye. Repeat what you feel, your physical sensation, and see if you can make it more specific. Under the nose. Repeat it again with all the possible details. Chin. Keep feeling and say it out loud again. Collarbone. Repeat it. Under the arm. Repeat it again. Below nipple, below your breast. Repeat what you feel physically. And repeat it again as you tap your thumb, index finger, middle finger, little finger, and tapping the crown of the head and taking 3 deep breaths in and out slowly. Consciously. Breathe out fully, then breathe in again. As you breathe out, relax. 1 more breath. Breathing out and softening. Now we are going to tap the gamut point. And as you're tapping it, you are going to close your eyes. Open your eyes, then look hard down to your right, hard down to your left, without moving your head. Roll a big circle with your eyes. Try to make it as smooth as possible and change the direction of the circle. Slow, without jumps, as much as you can. And then you just humming any song. Count 1 to 5 quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the song again. Okay, now relax your whole body. Take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Now feel into your body and your anxiety, your worries again. And give it a number, 0 to 10. With testing it and giving it a number. You may find that your number went up a little bit, but most probably it will go down, if not in this round, then in the next one. So again, just taking a note of what that number is, and I'm going to take you through another round. So we start with the karate chop, and the setup phrase now is, even though I am still feeling anxious, adding still, even though I still worry about something, you say what exactly it is, please. I completely accept my feelings. Even though I still feel my shoulders tight, or whatever you're feeling somatically, my breath constricted, nauseous, headache. I love my body just the way it is. Even though I still feel anxious, worried, I still have those disturbing thoughts in my mind, I am okay. And I love myself the way I am. Eyebrow. I am worried. The side of the eye. I wish I could control the situation. Under the eye. I don't know how it's going to unfold. Under the nose, and it really worries me. Below the lip, chin. What if, and say your biggest worries. Collarbone. I'm worried that, again, repeat, what could have happened, what could happen in the worst scenario. Under the arm. I hope it won't happen this way, but I don't know. I cannot control it. Below nipple. I have no control over the situation. Thumb. I'm worried that my worst thoughts will become reality. Your index finger. I wish I could control the situation. Middle finger. It's so hard. How do I know the bad things won't happen? Little finger. And I know that I cannot control it and I should let go. We'll continue. The eyebrow. And it's just so hard to let go. The side of the eye. I wish I could just let it go and relax. Below the eye, I know I can't change anything. Below the nose, and I should just relax and let it be. Chin, but I'm so used to being in control. I want to control. I know it's an illusion, and yet I am so into controlling. And that gives me anxiety. Your collarbone, under the eye, under the arm. It's hard to say when my mind is being relaxed and I'm feeling my body. I wish I could just relax and surrender and trust. Below nipple, I choose to trust. Thumb, I choose to release my worries. Index finger, my worries don't serve me. And I'm releasing my worries right now. The middle finger, I am learning to surrender to the divine will in humility and devotion. Little finger, I know I am loved, I am held. I know even if I keep worrying, that's not going to change anything. Now the crown of the head. But if I choose to let go and relax, it's going to change my energy field. And that will help the situation. And so I'm taking a deep breath in. And as I'm breathing out, I am letting it go. And 2 more breaths. Breathing out and surrendering in trust. And 1 more time, breathing out any remaining thoughts, worries, anxiety. Let's do the 9 gamut procedure. Tapping the gamut point. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed. Close your eyes, open your eyes. Look hard down to the right, hard down to the left. Slow and hopefully smooth the circle with your eyes. And then change the direction. Hum the song. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. And now test it again. What's the number? 0 to 10. Please let me know in the comments if your intensity went down from what number to what number. If you have any questions, do ask. If you have an inquiry, what would you like to tap on? Let me know. I'll make a video for you. Thank you for being here. I am not taking for granted your presence, and your views on this channel and your likes are really lighting up my heart, because I know we are doing all of these energy changes together to help ourselves, to help our families, and to help the world. Thank you for being here. Namaste.